Good evening. How are you all?
Good evening,
Good
Hi,
Mbak.
guys.
evening, Aprilia.
I'm fine.
I'm good. How about
Good
you?
evening.
I'm
Yeah.
fine.
How about
How
How
about
about
you?
you?
me too? I also fine. Glad we could discuss again today. Friend, I think recently I read in the media that our government will be implement a policy of online learning, especially for university student, right? It will be specifically for final year student. And let's start discussion about that planning of our government to implement that policy. What do you think about that policy, Mbak Wahyuni?
Uh, I think there are several advantages and disadvantages of this online learning, yeah. Like one advantages is the participant can learning from anywhere and anytime. And then lower cost for transportation because we don't need to come or visit to campus. And after that, we can improve our technical skills automatically. That's for the advantages. But uh, we have we have disadvantages too for these policies. Like not all people have access to the technology, and not all people can truly understand if not directly learning, and sometimes can get the difficulty such as unstable with the internet connection. So in my opinion, previously in the past we really strange about this online learning, but nowadays we have to flexible to follow this policy about the technology. We cannot we have to follow the policies. I think is okay, but sometimes we need to meet up, make some approach to get bonding between our friends so we can finish the study with spirit togetherness, right? How about you, but Brilliant?
Yeah, I think that's good point. I get point from Mbak Wahyuni that the participant can learn from anywhere and anytime. In my opinion, anytime means the virtual classroom is often accessible for 24 hours a day. That is right. How about you, Mbak Handa?
From my perspective, some I also agree with about the police, but some some of them I still kind of like need more maybe just for adjust anything about virtual or timing. I mean about the timing. Just because it's happened for me because sometimes when we doing virtual online, I mean like about the learning uh, for lecture, sometimes a little bit difficult, and also for hybrid. So I need more time for government to decide again about this. How about you, Kak Kartika?
Ah, I see your point. I think it's for you, Kak Wahyuni. I see your point, but I actually prefer offline learning because it offers more benefits. First, if we don't understand about the topic, yeah, being to discuss in a class, we can easily to ask with our teacher to explain it again. I think it's my opinion. And once I agree with you too, Kak Wahyuni, about the see friends in the school or in the classroom, the atmosphere in the classroom make us more our mood and enthusiasm. Offline learning teacher tolerance and cooperating among students because in the classroom we have to help each other and each other for maintenance to class and clean the class and make it comfortable of the classroom. I think it's my opinion. So if you ask to me if I'm agree with offline learning, yes. But for the online learning, I'm agree too. But I prefer like offline learning. Uh, how about you, Kak Wahyuni? Are you agree with my opinion?
Sometimes I agree because, like me, like myself, uh, I I prefer to learn in offline because we can know each other, and we if we don't know clearly about the material, we can directly ask to the lecturer, and we can
Yes,
discuss directly. I think, yeah, that's good.
Yes, the same with my opinion, right?
Yeah.
yeah. For me, it's about that one. It's like I call like that's name is isolation effect. Yeah, it's like the minus factory. Minus about the online learning, like make a challenge because the lack of a campus is the five, yeah, can make it harder to feel connected to your university identity. Just because without physical study group, students sometimes a bit hard for making a big community. That's for in my perspective.
Yeah, but in the end, nowadays, uh, we have to make a time, but sometimes we have another busy, right? We have another
Mhm.
activity, so we don't have much time to go there.
The campus.
Yes,
Yes.
to the campus.
Mhm.
So
Yes.
depend on now. I think it's okay for online learning. It can helps also. So we we have to flexible, I think.
Yeah, but just we also must make sure about the technical fragility look like when someone have the bad signal or Wi-Fi, such as like from internet, and sometimes they cannot following about the full of the study by online learning. What do you think about that, Brilliant?
Yeah, I agree with you, Manda, that I think not that system of online course not ideal for all subject, right? Depend
Correct.
on the
I'm agree with you.
condition. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah. Guys, how about the second opinion of Mbak Wahyuni that online course will reduce cost for transportation because no need to come or visit to campus.
Ah, I couldn't agree more about that,
Mhm.
Brilliant. I'm
Why?
also, yeah, agree about that because it's like for increase about my payout because I need no need to go out for spend much money, even just only for transportation, and also sometimes for buy coffee or we need some snack because it needs some take more hours when we're doing learning something, right, in campus.
And Mbak Kartika,
Uh,
uh, do you live in big city Jakarta, right?
yes, I'm live in
Yeah.
South Jakarta.
I think in Jakarta we can easy to get the bus for school.
Yes,
That's free, right? Yeah,
yes, it's
that's free
correct.
for student. Yeah. How about that if what about that condition? If that will support to Mbak Wahyudi opinion that lower cost for transportation as a problem, as an advantages of online course.
This okay, Priyani, this my opinion. I think I agree with opinion from Mbak Wahyuni. The online is a very simple because we are busy, right? We are work and we don't have much time to learn. So we can learn anywhere. We can learn in home, at a coffee shop, like Mbak Kanda talk. But I agree with that. But for the children, I don't agree because I think uh, for children it's a better to offline. It's not to apa ya?
Not
It's a
effective lah
more
ya.
more
Not effective.
yes,
Not
good.
effective.
Yes, I mean that. It's a more effective to children. Maybe for we maybe we are not children, right? So we more easy to take a lecture talk with us, but the children, I think he must be talk to teacher fast to fast, and is effective to learn. And for the transportation in Jakarta, I agree with you. Jakarta is a very busy place, and yes, and you correct, it's a free charge to student,
Mm,
for
yeah.
all student, a free charge. And this way government to make children or student easy to learn, I think, to accept the lesson,
Okay.
like
Mm-hmm. And what do you think about the internet bills? Because I also once get information from uh student parent that have they have problem with internet bill.
I'm so
Internet
sorry.
bill,
Can you repeat again?
How
Can you
yeah,
speak
come?
yeah,
darling? Can you
internet.
speak a little bit slower? I
Okay,
cannot
okay,
hear
okay.
you.
Okay, I will repeat that. I also have heard from students' parents that they have problem about the internet bills.
Hmm.
They
Inter-
must pay more for
oh.
internet, right?
Yeah, yeah.
By online call. What do you think about that, Mbak Wahyuni or
Um,
Mbak Handa?
yeah, I think if we pay like prabayar, it can make them so heavy. But if we have the abonnement, yeah, like pasca bayar, is it effective? I think so. Like Wi-Fi, not for data cellular. Is it? I think maybe parents have to. What is it? Yeah, have to prefer for abonnement so it can make them uh more efficient.
Okay.
Kak Wahyuni,
Mhm.
I would agree that for me, it appears to me that government must need giving solution about this I mean about the solution for the student, for parents, or anyone who want to follow about this rule for online learning, just because if the government decided for work everywhere or for anything about online learning, they must giving solution. Just because of the bill will be double, will be double. Then usually we use every day before. And that way I need more efficiency again giving to others so can follow this rule, uh, can make all smoothly.
Yeah. It
So not
depends.
not giving like many problem again after decided for giving rules to online learning for anything, right?
Yeah, we hope the government can think about that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's all for me for the for the for the agreement. Oh, sorry, for the agreement. Yeah, about that.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
agree with you too.
Mhm.
The internet is very important to help us do
Yes.
everything, not
Yes.
just for
Yeah.
studying, but so for paying bills and over things and other things. The internet but I'm not. I just wanna. This is my opinion again. The internet also has a negative impact to students,
Mhm.
and because it's very easy to access, which is not good for student. I think for the children too. So
Yes.
Yeah.
I hope
Funny. Yes.
so. Yeah, I think it's offline and online have a positive and negative
Yes.
impact to
Yeah, I
students
agree
Agree.
and
with
for
that.
us.
Yeah.